back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious milk jello that I know you guys are going to love. Really creamy and delicious and perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Here, I want to start first hydrating the unflavored gelatin. I have very cold water, half a cup of very cold water, and I'm going to start adding the unflavored gelatin. I am using 4 packages of 7 ounces each. I am going to incorporate it really good, making sure that there's no little lumps or anything. It's nice and runny now, but in a couple seconds it's gonna get nice and thick and it's going to harden up. Let me tell you, you need to mix your unflavored gelatin with very cold water. This is the way you mix it so it dissolves completely, and when you make your jello, it's gonna come out perfect. Look at this. Look, it's already getting nice and thick. You want to make sure that you incorporate it really good, and you're going to let it rest while you get ready all the ingredients. It's going to bloom and it's going to get nice and thick. We're going to go ahead and put it aside. And now the best part is getting ready your mold where you're going to add your jello, the liquid of the jello. We need to prepare it. You need to go ahead, and all these little crevices, you need to add a little bit of oil. I have a napkin here. I am going to add about 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil so that I could really cover the whole bowl and all those little crevices. If you don't cover it really good with vegetable oil, just run the little napkin in all these little crevices. If you don't do this, your jello is going to stick. And when you want to get your jello out, a lot of pieces are going to stick to the mold. Take your time. I know that this is time consuming, but let me tell you, this part is the most important part. Making sure that your mold is greased really good. All those little crevices are greased really good. And now I am ready to prepare all the mixtures of the milk. I have 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 cup of regular milk, 1 cup of cream, and of course we are going to mix everything in the NutriBullet. This NutriBullet I only use for my smoothies, for my aguas frescas, and for my jellos. I do not make any salsas in this NutriBullet. I don't want my sweets to be hot. So that's why I use this NutriBullet only for those 3 things. My agua frescas, my jellos, and my smoothies. Once this is done, we are going to blend really good for just a couple minutes. It really doesn't take too long. Once it's nice and blended, we are going to transfer it into this glass cup. I am going to go ahead and add all the milks in here. And now I want to show you how the unflavored gelatin looks. Look how thick it got. Look at this. This is exactly how it's gonna come. Look at this. Once you have it like this, take it to the microwave for about 30 seconds, and then it's gonna become again nice and watery. Now we're going to add it into the milk mixtures, and we are going to mix for about 2 minutes. This part is very important. You want the gelatin to really incorporate with all this delicious milks. Your jello is going to come out so creamy and delicious that I know you guys are going to continue making this milk, condensed milk jello. If you got up to this part of the video and you like this recipe and love it, I invite you to be part of my family. I invite you to leave me a thumbs up and share this video on social media. Your bowl is nice and ready, and now we are going to pour. We're going to take it to the refrigerator for about 4 hours so it gets nice and firm, and then we're ready to enjoy for dinner. Let me tell you, this is a delicious and easy dessert that anybody could make. Very few ingredients, and the ingredients you could find them in any supermarket, so that it doesn't absorb the aroma or the flavors of your refrigerator. You need to cover it. Wet your hands and then start pushing the sides of the jello and even the center. And then you're ready to reveal how this is going to look. Take your time, pat it a little bit from the top and the sides so that it starts pulling apart from the edges. And let's see and let's reveal how this is going to look. Look at this. It came out amazing. It looks so beautiful, and I can't wait to enjoy it, to tell you the truth. Look from close up how this looks. Remember, a little bit of vegetable oil does miracles. Of course, I'm gonna add a piece of mango right on the top, and I'm gonna slice it. I'm gonna show you how creamy this is. Like I said, very few ingredients, and anybody could make this delicious jello. I'm just gonna top it with some cubes of mango, and I am ready to enjoy. Look how thick and creamy this is. I hope, my friends, you make it and you enjoy it for this summer. And after you have your delicious dinner, then you need to have your amazing dessert. Yes, have your dessert with Cooking with Gloria. I am sure you're going to love it. Especially if you get little pieces of mango and jello at the same time. Well, you name it. I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy, and I'll see you in just a little bit. Enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with this creamy milk jello. Perfect for summer. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my desserts. Of course, I added some mango on top of it, but this really comes out amazing. Excuse me. Really flavorful. You could really taste the condensed milk and the combination of the mango, just perfection made at home. This jello is so creamy and delicious that I know you guys are going to love. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. I will stay enjoying this amazing dessert. Bye-bye.